What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala games, starting to pull back, sitting at 0.023, down 8% on the day. See market cap of 610 million, 24 volume 166 million. So we mentioned in the last video, if we break the downsloping trend line, then higher likelihood we see a larger pullback, which I think is likely looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we're just retesting that trend line. So we see that rejection, then we can pull back. So what I'm looking at is that all of this was the wave one to the upside. We have that bearish divergence. We also have divergences on the daily. We'll take a look at that. Pull back in a wave two. The target zone is 0.01983, 0.01582. Minimum target 38.2, 0.215. So this could offer another long entry opportunity. We're already in a long trade, but I will give a signal for the next opportunity if we do end up pulling back into that zone for $10 a month, which will be dropped in the Discord. So looking at the daily chart, as you can see, we're creating higher highs while creating lower highs on the RSI as well as the money flow. So it would make sense to see a little bit of pullback. So you have a wave one to the upside, you pull back, hold that pullback, the 50% fib, the 61.8, before seeing that continuation to the upside. So I'll continue to let this trade run. But if we do pull back into that zone and we bounce, then I'll give another signal, another trade opportunity, another long trade signal in the Discord for $10 a month. So that's what I'm looking at. If we push up, we create a higher high. It is what it is. Sometimes that's the way it goes. But as of right now, with the break and retest of that trend line, the higher probability is pulling back into our target zone. Give us that next long trade opportunity to ride up the wave three. So that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, but especially for my US and Canadian traders who are looking for an exchange. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus when they deposit into their futures account. So if you deposit $1,000, that's $200 completely free to trade with. If you deposit $100, that's $20 completely free to trade with. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. Daily crypto analysis. My exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, forex signals, forex analysis. Currently, we're in silver. Another entry is coming, as well as upcoming entry for gold. And for crypto, we're currently, I think our Ethereum trade is still open, as well as that Gala Games trade. So lots of trades in the Discord, over 2,500 members. All links down below. Do check them out. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.